Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Apple in-app purchase receipts with App Store Server API detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Apple in-app purchase receipts, you need to follow a systematic approach. Start by obtaining the receipt data from the app. This data is typically found in the app's transaction response. Next, convert the receipt data into a base 64 encoded string. Make sure to include all necessary identifiers in your API request. Now, you will need to send a POST request to the Apple App Store Server API. The URL for this request is https://sandbox.itunes.apple.com/verify receipt for sandbox testing. In your POST request, include the base 64 encoded receipt string in the request body. You should also set the content type header to application/JSON. Ensure that the JSON body has the format, receipt data, your _encoded receipt. Once your request is sent, the server will respond with a JSON object. Examine the JSON response for the status code. A status code of 0 indicates that the receipt is valid. If you receive other status codes, refer to Apple's documentation for their meanings. Check for additional information in the JSON response, such as the receipt's expiration date. This is crucial for managing subscriptions and ensuring access to features. Always ensure you handle errors appropriately to enhance user experience. Finally, keep security in mind by verifying that your server communicates securely with the App Store. Monitor the transaction regularly, especially during significant changes or updates in your app. This completes the process of verifying Apple in-app purchase receipts using the App Store Server API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.